Okay, welcome to the video. We have wrong page. Here we go. Trek bikes. Which is the best trek to get for climbing? Let's have a look. We're going to go straight to road, and I'm going to show you the best bike trek makes for climbing, whatever your budget is. And so what we see here, all the companies, not all the companies, most of the big companies, Trek, Giant, Specialized, Cannondale, they're pushing e-bikes, they're pushing disc brake bikes, they're pushing aero bikes, which is good and bad, and that's another video. But we're going to talk today, what is the best climbing bike Trek makes? I like Trek bikes. I've been using Trek for about 20 years. I do rate their product. They generally have a good warranty service, and some of the paint jobs I do take a fancy to. I think their Project 1 paint is probably the best in the biz. I'm not a fan of their disc brake bikes though. I find them heavy, sluggish, and cumbersome, and that's for any brand out there relative to a rim brake bike. I don't like the Madone because it just their brakes are very wanky and give me strong brakes that work well and are easy to modulate and adjust versus aero fucking pretentious brakes that will appeal to the noobs out there who anyway, that's again another video. So we're on the Australian website here, so I think in Australia we're a bit fucked for rim brakes coming up. This is a bit disappointing. It all seems to be going disc. Alright, let me go to the international one. You might have to do a special order on disc brake. Oh wow, this is crazy. Anyway, wait a sec. Alright, so we're going to go to Trek Bikes USA. This is really interesting. Things are changing. I like that high vis stuff. It's a pity though. It's a pity that Trek helmets fade. They're beautifully looking. It's a great design, but they fade so quick. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they fade so quick. What's the point of buying a high vis helmet if it's going to fade? If you want a good quality high vis helmet, get a laser. Laser make the best helmets for non-fade. Alright, so we're going to go climbing bike. We want something. What is this? What the fuck is this? This is new. The Domain A Plus. Holy shit. Did Trek just go there? A carbon fiber. Oh man. We're looking for climbing bikes and we got this motherfucker. This is interesting. Jeez. Wow. That is good. I like that. That's going to be interesting. I'd like to test ride one of these. 28 miles per hour. That's better. Wow, this is another video. All right, this has definitely caught my interest. I'm gonna click off this. This is too much clickbait for me. I'm gonna go back to what we're doing. We're doing a video about that one, Domain Plus. That looks like it's just dropped within the last couple of minutes because that wasn't there before. All right, where's the rim brakes? Oh no, is Trek killed? Oh my god, have Trek killed off the 2019 SLRs? What's going on? RIP rim brake. RIP rim brake. What is going on? How do I find the Emondas? Anyway, it's going to be the Emonda. A to Z. Alright, so we're going to go Boons. Wow. This is crazy, isn't it? Things are changing up quick. Wow. Alright, so we're going to go 2019. No, still got a rim brake SL. It's going to be Emonda. We're looking for the Emonda. Oh, come on, scrolling down. Here we go. Alright, so we've got 2017 Emondas on sale. Wow, that's cheap. $700. And the race shop limited just means it is the lower head tube, etc. Alright, so this is to be the best bike Trek makes, and it looks like they're clearing them out. Jeez, wow, this is a sad day for rim brakes. If you're a rim brake lover like I am, I'm feeling a little bit. I've got a bit of anxiety. I might see my therapist. Getting you a therapist who can understand what I'm talking about here. Okay, so we're going to cruise over to the ease. Trek website used to be a bit easier to find the Emonda. Maybe there's a better way. Maybe if you know a better way, let me know. Maybe I'm doing it all wrong here. Alright, so we'll go for the D's, Domane, which is a nice bike, a Domane. but it seems to be bikes are getting heavier and they're getting more expensive. That's what disc brakes have done. They made bikes heavier and more expensive. Alright, come on, flicking through. Looks like they're still making 2019. They're still making a Domane caliper. But no, where's the? How do we? Where did the Emonda go? Here we go. All right. So the Emonda ALR would be the best climbing bike. This would be faster up a hill, in my opinion, than the disc versions of the carbon version for sure. If you gave me the choice between Harley carbon version Emonda disc or alloy, I'm gonna go non-disc, 100%, 100%. Because I can go to Gumtree and buy a pair of American Classic wheels for maybe $100 or $200 secondhand in good condition. They're going to be lighter and faster than Trek's top of the range carbon $3,000 wheel set for $150, $200, and I've done that. I've bought them. So yeah, that's and that frame set's very nice, pearl color. So it'd be the Trek Emonda ALR. Alright, so we're going to find Emonda's 2019, the SL is still, that's a good bike as well. The SL, direct mount brakes, has good tire clearance. SLR, where are we talking? We can see it 2018, Emonda SL, SLR. Oh, no, I still got it going. Here we go. This is Trek's best bike for the money. 2018. 3.5. Wow, you're going to get yourself a deal if you live in the US. That radioactive yellow, really nice color, stands out really well. So it looks like they're really cutting them back. It looks like there's no 2019. Is there? Jeez, it's all going disc, isn't it? Fuck. That is a sad state for climbers. Wow, crazy, isn't it? Jeez, wow. That is, no, they got the frame. They're also going to offer frame sets. Wow, that is. There's no top end SLR anymore in terms of a complete bike, and let's maybe go Project One. But anyway, so this is if I was on the chopping block today and someone said, "Buy me a bike, Harley. Buy me a bike from Trek. Give me the best. This is the best climbing bike Trek make." And it has Ultegra. This will be definitely faster up the climbs than the disc brake version. It just won't have that rotor rub. The wheels won't feel as sluggish. It goes. These bikes